Hello everyone, Chash Tech Review is back, and today's video is about Ethernet cable connected but no internet access problem. And on this video we are going to see 3 solutions for all Windows operating system related with no internet access problem as you connected your Ethernet cable. So let's start from solution number 1. So solution number 1 will be troubleshooting. So in order to troubleshoot on your computer, so click here the search icon and type here settings. So here the settings, open the settings. And scroll down to the bottom and you will find troubleshoot. Then open the troubleshoot and there is other troubleshooter. Then after that you will find here internet connections. So click here run. So it will start detecting problems related with internet connection. So wait patiently until it will finish the detecting process. Here please select the issue window should troubleshoot and select troubleshoot my connection to the internet. And again detecting the problem. So here finally says troubleshooting cannot identify the problem in my case, but on your case you may find some kind of error and it may fix your problem. So check whether the internet access problem is solved or not. So if the problem is still occurring, then the second solution will be resetting your network. So in order to reset the network again, click here the search icon and type here settings again. So here the settings, then open the settings and you will find here network and internet. Click on it, and after that you will find here advanced network setting. Then click on the advanced network setting and you will find here network reset. So select that and this will reset all the network information and it will back to their original setting. So make sure if you are connected through Wi-Fi, make sure you know the password of the Wi-Fi. So select here reset now and click here yes. Then it will reset your network and it will restart your computer. So it gives me 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes it will restart the computer. So after the restart, check whether the problem is solved or not. If the problem is still occurring, then we are going to see the third solution, which is resetting your IP and Win socket, and as well as flashing the DNS. So in order to do that, again here click on the search icon and type CMD. Then here the CMD, then right click on it and select run as administrator. Then it will give you a confirmation to select. So select yes. Then after that, first what we will do is flashing the DNS. So type here ipconfig space / flash DNS. Then press enter. So here Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. The second one will be resetting the WinSock catalog. So in order to reset the WinSock catalog, type net sh WinSock reset. So after you type this, then press enter. Then here it says Windows reset the WinSock catalog, and the final one will be resetting the IP. So in order to reset the IP, then type net sh space int space IP space reset. Then after that, press enter, and it will reset all the IP data related with your computer. So here are all the resetted IP data. Then it says restart the computer to complete this action. So close your CMD and restart your computer. So after the restart, you can check your internet access, and these are the solutions in order to solve the problem related with no internet access. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Cash Tech Review out.